Hello guys, welcome back. This is the first video I'm filming after my break and I'm super excited about it. We are gonna have, I want to say like a reset after obviously I've been sick for so long. I just want to get back into the swing of things and I also want to sort out some things we need to do the basement. But first we're gonna start with an unboxing because I don't know why, but we have so many packages. Usually we don't really buy a lot of stuff, but now apparently we did. So we're gonna unbox this and the first thing we're gonna unbox is gonna be super exciting, so let's go! Oh shit, is that I'm entering all this? So one thing I was always kind of disappointed by with the lens that we have is that it's not as wide as my last camera. It had a really wide lens. So we got a wide lens and I'm excited to see what the difference of frame is. So we're gonna switch right now. Shut up! Oh my god!
Is it good?
Come here. Oh!
There we go.
That's gnarly!
Nice.
Oh
Working.
my god. I was zoomed in like this. You couldn't even see my fucking head. That is insane. You can see the whole room. What? Oh my god. This is actually crazy. Dude, this is insane. Okay, now with that. Oh my god. Oh, I can't believe it. This is so cool. Like, you can see so much more of the environment that I'm in. That's amazing. Oh, I'm so excited to be vlogging with this. I cannot wait. Okay, moving on. I don't even want to talk too much because I don't want this video to be like too long, but we're just gonna fly through it. So let's go. Guess what? I bought some books. Oopsies. Okay, these are all of the, I want to say like short stories in between the Cassandra Clare series that I'm reading. So these are all secondhand. I cannot wait to read these. So this is the Bane Chronicles, which is obviously about Magnus Bane, the warlock. Then the Red Scrolls of Magic, which I actually don't know what this one is. I will read it regardless. Then we have on the Tales from the Shadowrunner Academy, and this is a thick one. This is actually pretty big. How many pages is this? This is over 600 pages, and this I believe is just many short stories of different people, which I cannot wait to read. And now I have these 3 books, and there's so many videos about how and when to read each of these books, but I cannot wait to read them. Look at them, they're so cute. Whee! So yeah, we're obviously continuing with the Shadowhunter world. Oh, what can I say? Some more books. These are 9 of the, I don't even know how many, Anne Rice books. Anne Rice, if you don't know, has written The Interview with the Vampire. There's also a movie. There's a lot more books than just the first one. I wanted to read the first one forever, but I have just never really had the instinct to do so. But now I really want to do that. And so we have 9 books. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and now can you please guess? So these are really, like, these books are red. Like, look at the spines, they're all completely cracked. Guess how much I paid for these 9 books? I'm gonna let you guess. I paid 12 bucks with shipping. 12 bucks for 9 books, isn't that insane? So yeah, we're probably gonna be starting on the Anne Rice universe soon, and this is the first one, Interview with the Vampire. Great movie, and I just love like the old English. Like, they're just so cute. I cannot wait. Okay, this is gonna take me a while. Look at these. Lovely. So these are all the books that we have. We're gonna move on with the big one. I'm feeling the big one. Oh, I just completely hit myself on the face. Guys. Okay, so this is obviously a backpack for hiking, ski touring, whatever in the mountains you want to do. Climbing, mountain biking, whatever there is. Yes, because I've always been using Luis's stuff like every single time, and he was at one point he was like, okay, you're gonna get your own. I'm done with you using my stuff forever. So I got this.
The pants, the hat.
I know, like, apparently I chose orange today. So this is the Black Crows. It has 27 liters and it's like a fold down, roll down bike kind of system, which I really like because it's just like a huge, you can access this here in the front and the sides. It's just like a very functional backpack, obviously. Very excited to be using this in the next ski tours that are hopefully gonna come soon because I think it's gonna start snowing. We have a super special and exciting mail because I have partnered up with Get Wet Soon, who I have met through the Surf Companions guide. His name is Thomas, and he created the most amazing surf guide maps to basically help you plan your next trip, to see when the best surf is where and where to go in which season. And it's just such a cool map. And actually I have one of those maps at home already because my uncles once gifted them to me for my birthday, and I have it in my room hanging up at my parents' place, and now I am working with them. I am so excited. These maps are absolutely beautiful. They're super high quality. They're super cool. Let's see what they look like. Wow. Oh my god, they're so big. This is the small one. This is the one I have. Thank god we have a big lens now because this is hectic. So it basically just shows you where to go surf and what season around the world, around the year, which is so cool. And it's like you can just have one glance and then see it all, which is absolutely amazing. I love this one. This is the one, as I said, that I also have at home. And then here's the bigger one, which is the whole world map. And look. Oh. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I cannot. So this shows you what the other one said, when and where to surf, but it's on an actual map, which is so cool. Like imagine you can just like cross off the spots that you've been already. How fun would that be? This is beautiful and it's super high quality. It feels really robust and really good. It even has like swell directions on it, tides, charts. It's absolutely beautiful. And I do have a link to the products in the description box down below. I'm really excited to be working with Get Wet Soon as well. This is just so fun, and I cannot believe that I've literally had this and I got this gifted for myself, and now I'm working with them, which is so exciting. So definitely do check them out. Okay, so this Louis got for me, and I think I know what it is. So I unfortunately smashed my gua sha and then it fell to the floor and it shattered. And Louis said he does have a little surprise for me, and it is a new gua sha. I was so mad that mine got mashed, like so mad, because also my mom got it for me. She was like, it's fine, maybe it had like bad energy or whatever. And now he got me a new one, which is really sweet. Also, he's sitting right there. Good.
How's the shape?
Thank you. Ah. Incredible. Okay, so this is, we decided to, oh my god, it's a handwritten. So we actually decided we wanted to have more incense and Palo Santo and like all of these things. So we got some incense and some wood so we could drop into our meditation and get super spiritual. I'm so excited because I've been meaning to get some of these for some time, but I never really put enough energy into it to like actually get it. So we do have Palo Santo, which is supposed to keep bad spirits away, I think. And then we also got some sage and rosemary bundles. Oh wow. To like, you know, just feel all the feelings and connect, meditate, and drop into it. And I'm so excited. It smells amazing and I cannot wait. Wow. And this is the one that's just white sage. It looks so cool, doesn't it? Ah! You just planted 5 trees. And these are filters to put on the lenses to obviously protect them. All of the unboxing finally finished. I can't believe we have so many things. This is actually crazy. We're done with this. We're gonna clean up this mess that we've made, and then we wanna start with the basement and kind of reorganize a little bit because we cannot even walk in there and we just need to have storage, obviously, so.
Better get up out my way. This is start of a new day. Feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing. New swing set. I'ma go for the loop, man. I'm a fruit gone loopy. That's the Sammy the toucan. Screaming out.
We're in the basement. I just had lunch and Louis is laying down because he's still not feeling perfect. This is the basement. It's stuffed. For real stuffed. I can barely stand in here, look. So yeah, we're gonna try to sort some of this. I put my hair away into a bun because I cannot deal with it while I'm grabbing all of this stuff. So you're just gonna see a nice little time lapse of me putting everything out, sorting through everything, what we wanna put away, what we're gonna throw away, what we're gonna donate, what we're gonna sell. Let's go!
And no stakes involved in the state of the world state. It's all lost, so we counting our birthdays. We party hard, get turned on a Thursday. And like we got it all, why we act in the first place. You raised by a screen, that shit get up in your nerve ends. You do need tune, baby. ladies better know that you perfect. Nobody can tell you one thing. Get your crazy, throw it all on the surface. Make yo something from nothing, take a shot at your purpose. Post a talk for a man who probably needs his own service, cause he's scared to death of how everyone think. Probably changed my whole look for a share on the feed. Too focused on the focus on screens. Just taking pictures of moments where I should actually be. Welcome to the age of distraction, where the follow count king. Where we lacking on queens, where you follow someone because they follow someone who actually follows their dreams. Damn, I'm bitter as fuck. I should probably change, but I'm so stuck in my ways. Please, soda, sing.
Ooh, this blue is sweet. Well, I truly see love like movie scenes. It's a doozy think, answers on the way. Throw it all away just to feel complete. Just for that wonderful ride.
Okay, I know it doesn't look it, but we've made some progress. This we're gonna put to like the post station where everybody can kind of grab some stuff, because that's the stuff that we don't need, but it's still good and it might be usable for somebody else. This is all stuff that's gonna go to our parents' place. See how they react once they find out. This is all gonna be trash. This is one whole bucket load of things that we're gonna sell. They're like cool or still good that we want to sell. This is stuff that we're gonna take up because this is all winter stuff that's like super warm clothes. This whole thing is going to be donated. And then do we have something else?
Nope.
This is obviously gonna be kept, my little baby boy. Cool. But yeah, we're definitely, I mean, 3 boxes down is not a bad situation.
Give me more, give me more, give me more. I ain't never feel full, not at all, not at all, not at all, not at all.
So this is the after right now. These are things that are gonna go away, so it's not gonna be as bulky. The rest of it is really nice and organized. Generally, we have cleared a lot of boxes, and we even have some empty ones here. This is all the stuff that's gonna go to some of our parents. And then the box right behind that is stuff that's gonna go to the donation pile. As soon as we have these two figured out, we have almost like space to walk into, which is insane and amazing. That's the after, and now we just need to put all of this stuff into our apartment. This is going to be stuff that we're selling, so we need to take pictures of everything, obviously. And then this is just going to be sorted into our closets, because that's most of the winter stuff that we need. And then the thing that I'm almost most excited for, honestly, is we have these folders, which are like the stuff where we put all of the important papers in. We have so many papers flying around in our apartment, and it's going to be so satisfying to just sort everything and throw shit out that we don't need, put like stuff that's important in here. So that's also going to be amazing, because then we can just have no more papers flying around our apartment.
Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone.